Welcome to this particular video. So on this particular video, I just wanted to look into and how to think and step and live outside the box. Again, on this particular video, I want to use this particular how to use and monetize ExpressVPN to actually know whether if I can achieve as in making you understand this particular stuff. Because one thing I have to tell you is that if you wanted to live outside the box, you have to step outside the box. And if you want to step outside the box, you want to actually think outside the box. So if you think outside the box, will actually eventually step outside the box. And if you have stepped outside the box, then you will live outside the box. You understand? So in this particular video, I just want to open your eye to possibilities on how to actually be super successful online using this particular Express VPN. We have three agendas on this particular video. Number one is actually I want to show you how to buy Express VPN. So we have to buy it live here, right here, right as right now, right here. So understand, and I will show you how to install it and how to actually use this particular powerful software. So the question you might be asking yourself is, or might be asking me is, Oliver, why ExpressVPN? What are you using it for? That number one thing of the benefit of ExpressVPN. Again, there is no chance for me to actually outline the whole benefit of ExpressVPN, but I'm just giving you a few of them. Which is number one is actually to open an account in a country restricted site. I didn't know whether if you have tried to open an account, try to access some website and you see yourself being the access is being denied for you to do it, or something like you talk about ClickBank. A lot of people are using free VPN to open a ClickBank account. Why? When free VPN cannot help you to bypass the ClickBank algorithm security that actually know where you're coming from and know what if you get it. So believe me, it might not be successful again. Even if you try to use it to open an account, most of the time toward the end of the opening account, they will tell you that they cannot offer you that particular account because hopefully they have found out where you're coming from. So understand me. So number two is actually to spy your competitor from other countries. Again, I will clear you on what I mean on this particular number two. If you want it to be successful, you can follow. You'll be able to watch this video to this year and understand what I mean. Then number three is after to outsmart your competitor by having access to other countries stuff. Again, I'm a marketer, the pro one, and I wanted you to become a pro marketer. So you have to be thinking, feeling, and acting like the pro marketers. I don't know what if you get it. So, like if you wanted to do anything, whether if you're in performance marketing, selling physical stuff, anything you are doing online, you understand me? The question is, do you have the potential to know what is happening in the other part of the globe? I don't know what if you get it. So if there is any potential for you to do that, my friend, you can be successful. Again, I will actually show you what I mean in a moment. Then to get all this done, simple means that we needed to hide our internet protocol address, in other words, our IP address, and we are achieving this particular one using ExpressVPN because this is one the best at the time I'm recording this video, the best VPN out there in the whole world. So understand me? So start to enjoy with ExpressVPN. You can open your ClickBank account again. If you don't know how to open ClickBank account, one thing I would advise you is do not use a USA ClickBank account. You might use another country using VPN. If you don't have a clue on how to do it, if you don't know the clue on how to do it, join Global Freelance Academy. You can see the link below to join it. And inside Global Freelance Academy, we show you this particular stuff step by step on how to do that particular thing. Then you can use it to enjoy your paper. Again, you know what I have to do. Below this particular link, I will give you a link. Below this particular video, I'll give you a link that will lead you to where you can get a free ebook, 100% free ebook on how to open a PayPal account of any from any country you wanted to. So understand me? Then if you're from Nigeria, our advice you because PayPal allow us to open PayPal account, but you can't use it to receive money. Then I will advise you to open that particular one to use it to buy your ExpressVPN, Nigerian PayPal. Then if you wanted to actually be doing business online that you receive your money through PayPal, then look below the link below this particular video. You see a link on how to get that particular paper you can use to receive your money. Then the offerup.com and FastSmart and letgo.com, all of them are they restricted some country. Like my country has been restricted that you can access this particular website. So understand. So with ExpressVPN, we have to actually we can bypass them. I didn't. It's one thing you have to do is look below this particular video, you see a link that says either get to your ExpressVPN or your ExpressVPN. Just click on that particular link and it will get you to this particular ExpressVPN. You understand? So once you click on that particular link, boom, it will get you to this particular place. Remember, I told you that we have 3 agenda on this particular video to show you how to buy. So I have to purchase this particular store with you right here. You click on the link below that says this button that says get ExpressVPN. When you landed on this particular website by clicking on the link below, so understand me again, that is an affiliate link. Let me actually clear it for you. The one thing I have to advise you is that if you want your stuff to be selling virally, always get stuff from people's affiliate link, because that is a universal law that nobody have actually win. So when you come to this particular place, you can see if you want to pay annually, they give it at 5% off from your monthly payments, and this one is for 6 months. And now for the sake of this training, I have to go for 1 month just to actually show you how to do that particular stuff. So when you come to this particular place, you have to actually put in the email you wanted to use to buy this particular stuff, as in to buy. You create an account with them. Sure, I don't know if you get it. Very simple stuff. So with that one taken care of, you have to click on this paper again. Do not say only if I don't have PayPal account. If you're from Nigeria, open a free paper. Go to paypal.com and open an account. Use that particular Nigeria account to buy it. If you are not from Nigeria and you are PayPal do not allow you to open any PayPal account, look below and you get a link that will lead you to where you can get an ebook on how to open a PayPal account. Again, if you wanted to use that, if from Nigeria you wanted to use that particular paper, you are free to do whatever you wanted to do. Do you understand me? So I have to click on continue to PayPal, as simple as that. And once I click to continue to PayPal, then it will lead me to where, as in PayPal, where I can check out on PayPal. So understand me, and pay for this particular stuff. So I have to actually put in my PayPal details. So understand me. I might actually click on stay longer, fast, or whichever one. Stay longer in for a faster checkout, or I can just remove it. All I want is just to pay for this particular stuff. Then I click on login and it will log me into my PayPal account and actually buy this particular stuff for me. As you can see, just take me to this particular website to assure everything. You have to pay buy with this particular MasterCard because I'm using my Nigeria paper, and I have to click on agree and pay, as simple as that, and it just get me to actually as you can see, just my payment is actually processing. As you can see, just get me to this particular place. So as in I said it should give me the system password that I will use to log in. So I can continue or create my own password. You know what I have to do? Let me actually not worry much about that particular stuff. I have to actually copy this particular stuff again. I bought it, and let me actually create my own password, and I have to actually type in my own password. So let me change it. I actually know what I'm typing. So I have created my own password and I have to click on save. As you can see, very simple stuff, very simple stuff. So this is my activation code. You know what I have to do? I have to click on here to copy my activation code, and I have to actually put my activation code. It's one-time activation code. So I have to actually download my software. I have to actually download my software. Most of the time when you buy this particular stuff, it might take some time. It might actually give some reasons of not actually purchasing, like my paper and stuff. It takes some time before my paper was able to be allowed to actually buy this particular stuff. So I'm downloading it now. It's a file of few megabytes, about 26 megabytes, as you can see it. So understand me. So one good thing about ExpressVPN is, once you buy ExpressVPN, you can use it in any device you want, any device. Like if I'm actually using my mobile now, I can go to my Play Store if I'm using Android, or App Store if I'm using iOS, iPhone, or whatever it is, and I can download the ExpressVPN. And once I download it on mobile, then I can actually try to actually open it. I can see login. Then I will log in with my password and my email, as simple as that. So I can use it across any devices. You understand me? Very simple stuff. Then one thing, so most of the time it can be limited based on limitation. I mean is based on, you might be using it at something like about 5 devices at in a given time, but that does not mean that I can't use it in another device in another time. Any device you wanted to use, a question of downloading it and actually use it. So we have to wait for it to finish downloading. So once you finish downloading, I have to actually click on open folder, whichever one you want. So understand me. So I have to actually install that particular stuff. I'm doing everything before you here so that you'll be able to understand. Let me actually, I think I have to see that particular, but it doesn't mean anything. So it will be install my software. It will take few seconds to actually finish the installation. And this one just came up, so I have to click install. Simple as that. So once install complete, I have to click on this particular close this particular stuff, then close here, and I can actually go to my desktop. As you can see, this one is the one I downloaded, this one is the one they install. Then you just double click on open the software itself. As you can see, it just asks me to sign in, so I have to actually click on sign in, and I have to actually paste that my that particular my activation, one-time activation code to actually activate this thing. Otherwise, tell them I am the one. And once I use it, I have used it. So understand me? So understand me? So there's no need of worrying about showing you that particular one. As you can see, say launch or startup. No, I don't want to. Once I start my system for it to launch, they help improve. No thanks. You can actually accept that particular one. As you can see, so this is my VPN, and try the browser extension again. You might try it. So this is the VPN. So now I have VPN on my software which I bought. I'll be paying for it monthly for my services. Let me actually show you something. So let's go to that particular website that let's go to that particular website that I showed you. Let's take this particular number one and actually go to this particular place. And actually remember, we are not yet protected now. I haven't on my own VPN. So let's see whether if this particular, as you can see, access denied. So they didn't allow me to actually use their stuff. So let's actually go to let's go to this particular one. I didn't know if you're getting me. I just wanted to show you that this particular stuff is not working. And let's go to letgo.com, and you see also that all of them, they deny the access for me to actually come into the website. So understand? So now let me actually let's go to this particular place and actually go to VPN location to select whichever network I wanted to change to USA. As you can see, they have recommendation, they have all, they have recent. So understand? So you can actually type in the country you want, something like United States. And as you can see, I can click on United States. Very simple stuff. Any country wants that is here. So understand me? So I can actually select US. As you can see, is now connecting to US. So it's have connected. As simple as that. They know that. So it's trying to connect to US now. And once it's connected to US, so if I'm browsing with any browser on my device, the internet will be seen as if say that I'm browsing from United States. You understand? So let's go to those websites that actually denied access for us to know whether they can actually open up at the time. You understand me? As simple as that. As you can see, they are just welcoming us. You understand me? Like that. Only that they have now found out that we are from this particular country. I didn't know whether if you understand it. So now, how do you monetize this? That is the question, because having it doesn't make much sense. You understand me? So look, let me tell you one thing. If you are selling physical stuff, this particular three websites I showed you are like something like, when it comes to Nigeria, something like gg.com and some other I didn't know if you get it, gg.com and the olx.com and some other ols.com.ng. So understand? So this particular two websites like that, so I can come over to this particular website and search for whatever I'm looking for. I didn't know if you get it. So if I'll be able to see that particular store, then I can buy it from that particular people. I don't know if you get it, and come to let's go to something like this particular one now, and let's go to search. Let me actually search for something like iPhone. Let's assume that I'm into phone, iPhone, something like iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. You understand me? Let's actually do this particular stuff together. Remember, I'm using VPN. That's why I was able to express VPN. That's why I was able to have an access to this particular area. Show understand me. As you can see, as it's coming up, very simple. So another thing, again, I will show you how to actually choose the best network in with that particular express VPN. As you can see, it's still coming up. iPhone 6 Plus. Let me actually check to know whether if I type what I should type. I know whether you should get it. iPhone 7 Plus. Sure, understand. Let's assume I'm in the mood searching for this particular offer. So what happens is actually I can come to any of this particular network, get whatever I wanted to actually be selling in this particular Nigeria or whichever country you are. I don't know what difficulty. So I'll be getting it very cheap on this particular places, and I can be selling it on Nigeria. A very simple. So what is confusing? Nothing. Another thing. So I can come to this particular place, solve whatever I want to buy online, whatever that I wanted to buy online, then I can come to Nigeria and be selling it. You understand? So the question is, how, if I buy it from here, how can I get it to Nigeria? One thing you have to do is try to find out what you'll be buying from somebody, whichever person that is actually doing it here. Then you can get the discussion with the person, and actually it's like using Gigi. Because the only thing is that once you come to this particular place, you can buy an iPhone cheaper. You can buy some other things cheaper, like iPhone 7. Yeah, it's actually for how much money? 250 something dollar, 250 something, 200 something thousand naira. But the equivalent of what you buy it here is around 90 something thousand naira. I don't know what if you get it. So when you buy it from this particular area, you can come to actually in Nigeria and be selling it. And again, let me tell you one thing. As you can see, these particular people are using in this particular August is because it's actually tracking my date. So today's date is actually what is 11th, so 16th is 5 days. So within 5 days, this particular guy will actually send you this particular stuff. So many of them do not have, if you are living in Lagos, but if you are living outside Lagos, 4 days, in other words 9 days, 4 days additional. So some of them that have business in this particular Jumia, they don't have the real physical stuff. To understand, what they do is that they have somebody that they are buying that particular stuff from this particular area that I just showed you. To understand me, look and do the research and find it. So when they come to Jumia, set it up, so they will be watching their ads. So if you, let's assume that I purchased an iPhone from this particular place for something like 95,000 or 90,000, iPhone 7 Plus. You understand me? So I'll be selling it in Jumia something like that's something like about 200,000. You understand me? So they might send an iPhone to me within 2 days using DHL by something like within 10,000, 20,000. It might not be up to, especially when you start striking there with this particular people, the the courier service and some other people. You understand me? So you can get your offer and sell it. So when somebody buys from you on Jumia, you purchase from this particular people and they send it through DHL. Within some days, boom, it landed in Nigeria to you, and you mail them whatever that offer it is. You understand me? Very simple stuff. Then you can utilize it. Another thing, if you're into affiliate marketing, let me actually show you something. Like if you go to Google and search something like how to make money online, you understand me, then you do your research, you will find out that as you can see, this particular person is actually targeting USA people. That's why I see this particular offer. I don't know whether if you get it. So I can actually look into how the ad look like, the advertisement, the ad look like, and you can, most of the time, as you can see, part-time job, make money online. You can actually monitor what people that are targeting USA, how is their ad is look like. This is $1 million idea if you be able to utilize it. Like if I disconnect this particular stuff now, let's assume I disconnect this. Let me actually do it live. I disconnect this particular stuff. I didn't know if you get it to actually be browsing as if say that I'm from Nigeria. Now I disconnect it. Let me actually type the same keyword, how to make money online. You understand me? So this is actually how I'm crushing it when it comes to online. So I know what other marketers that are targeting other countries, what their ads look like. You understand me? So like if I wanted to actually see the ad of the people that are targeting something like South Africa, I can go to my VPN, Express VPN, set it up to South Africa, and I go to Google and search based on the keyword that I'm using on my marketing. So I'll be seeing the offer that the South Africa people are seeing. So if I'm targeting South Africa people, I will know how to talk to them. I don't know if you get it. So the same thing now, the same way as you can see, this particular person is targeting Nigeria. Why I did not see it in USA, and this particular one and some other one, as you can see, very simple. So I will know, okay, if I wanted to know what offers, what ads that people of USA are seeing, what their ad look like. You understand me? Then I will use my Express VPN and do that particular stuff. So if I know how their ad look like, so I can say, because there are some other marketers that have been in the field before me. So I will say, okay, this is how people that are targeting USA, this is how they write their ad. So if I'm running an ad to be targeting USA for whatever I'm promoting, that's assuming if I'm into affiliate marketing, then I will know how to talk to those people. I don't know if you get it. So without wasting time, these two things is what I wanted to show you. You have an access to actually any website you want. Once they tell you that you are being and the access is being denied from you, that's what you do. Go to your Express VPN. Very simple stuff. Get the network. Most of them allowed USA. Then I can actually change the location to USA. Another thing that is well good about this particular Express VPN that you have the potential to test the speed. You understand me? So you can go to speed test. Very simple stuff. And once you go to speed test, again, I might not run it with you because actually most of the time it takes some times. Then I click run test, and once you click run test, then it will run the test for me and actually show me the speed of whichever actually server I wanted to be using. The index, the speed index number determine the fastest. So the higher the speed index, the higher the speed of that particular server. This is in the New York. This particular one is actually 89, as you can see. As you can see, so in other words, this particular New York 83 you can download at 4 megabytes per second. So if I'm using a USA, then I can use that particular stuff. Or if there is any other USA network like this particular New Jersey, let me actually stop this so that I'll be able to this particular New Jersey, as you can see still running. So New Jersey, as you can see, so the speed of New Jersey might be more than, and if I'm browsing from USA New Jersey, so if speed is actually what I needed, I can actually select that particular network to actually server to actually use it to browse. So without wasting time, I just showed you how to spy your competitor. So if you are selling physical stuff online in Nigeria or whichever country you are from, let's assume phone or whatever you are selling, you can go to this particular similar website that are like GG and be buy your stuff and come to Nigeria and be selling for a profit. So understand that is how to monetize this particular Express VPN. Again, if you're into performance marketing, what we need to know is actually how can I, if I have an affiliate offer, how can I talk to USA people? Sure, understand me. So I can set my Express VPN to USA and actually go and use that particular do a research with the keyword that related to what I'm promoting and see the offer, the ads that USA people are seeing. Sure, understand me, based on that particular my keyword, and I'll see how the marketer that are targeting them, how they talk to them, so that I will talk to them similar like that, outsmarting my competitors in Nigeria. She understand me and actually be crushing it when it comes to online. Again, without wasting time, I just show you how to do this particular stuff. Again, you can actually use Express VPN to open a ClickBank account, PayPal, or whichever one you wanted. Because actually, once you on it, my friend, any browser you are using on your device, that's one good part of it. Any browser I'm using now, once I on it, the browser I can actually be blocked that it can only see the IP address of whichever network, whichever server I selected, whichever country I selected. So without wasting time, this is how to actually monetize ExpressVPN. Do not waste and think around. Again, if you wanted to know more about how to be successful online, I will ask you, there is a link below that will tell you how to actually join Global Freelance Academy. If you want to actually see what it is before you can join, there is 100% free training on it. The link below, you can actually watch the training and actually see how you can actually make a lot of money, even if you don't have money, even if you don't have, what I mean is, even if you don't know anything about online. Join us below from the free series and you can actually understand one or two things. You don't need to have money to invest. You understand me? You just need to have right mind and have right knowledge. Again, we'll walk you through on it. Again, if you have money to buy Global Finance Academy, like for me, do not waste time. Go, you can see the direct order link below. Why not go to that particular direct order link and actually buy Global Finance Academy? Like inside Global Finance Academy, what we are teaching you is how to become a pro marketer. Once you become a pro marketer, then you can promote anything you want online. Even if you don't have money to start with physical stuff, you can go to ClickBank. Again, if you join us, you can see how to open a ClickBank account and how to monetize it. You can go to ClickBank, ClickBetter, or this particular JVZoo, or this Click Junction, or this as in Commission Junction, I mean to say, or this particular network that you can pick somebody's affiliate link, somebody's products affiliate link, and started promoting it. Again, we'll show you how to do those particular stuff. If you go to main training, then we'll dive more. Look at, let me actually show you this particular stuff. How to build business mastery, business building mastery. So how to dive into traffic, like if you want to crush it on generating traffic. Why not actually online traffic? You go here, conversion, or how to master conversion. The dots on the C is what I actually put as included on Global Freelance Academy. What I did that is, if there is any offer that I wanted to promote, then I will document whatever I'm doing to understand me from beginning to the end to any result I have. To understand me. Then after documenting it, then I will upload it on this particular dots on the C, so that my students will actually see how I'm promoting whatever I'm promoting. I don't know if you get it. So if your thing is all about Fiverr, let's assume that you know how to actually use Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and some other thing to actually create this particular banner. You understand me? And some other thing. If your thing is all about Fiverr, from here you master Fiverr mastery. Then we have ongoing training that we are giving for the members of Global Freelance Academy. From here you can get those particular trainings. You understand me? All this particular like business building. Let me actually show you this particular business building stuff. As you can see, this is the best advice ever: how to activate your product in the system and how to do a market research or whatever it is. Value driven marketing system, VDMS, under the ground. This one is priceless. And now if you get, like if you go to global value driven marketing system now, you see this particular video that says number one buying emotion. My friend, if you get this particular stuff, you have the magical power to sell whatever you want to sell online anytime you wanted to sell that particular stuff. So understand me? Very simple stuff. So this is inside Global Freelance Academy. Like this particular, how to do this particular domain registration and some other thing, how to create landing page, how to create landing page. As you can see, we have a lot of video. I just take you from the hand and show you how to create. Like if your thing is actually, how can I be creating landing pages? How to create any page you want. You understand me? Why not come here and actually become a master of this particular stuff? If you learn how to create landing page here, you can go to fiverr.com and start making money by creating landing pages for people. Go to upwork.com, go to global guru.com or actually fiverr.com. Creating landing page. Let's actually go to, let me actually show you. Go to fiverr.com and actually show you one of the best thing on this particular stuff. Again, my network at the time I'm recording this particular video is actually lagging. So if you come to fiverr.com, let's actually look for something like landing page, something like that, to know whether I just wanted you to see how much you be the potential of how much you be actually making when you know how to the potential of your earning when you know how to create landing pages. You understand me? So without wasting time, as this particular stuff is coming up, when we come to email autoresponder, that is confusing a lot of people, my friends. Guess what? we pieces it for you. We make it in a way that is very simple, that you don't need to actually waste a lot of time. You understand? So, and if you go here, like this Fiverr have loaded, look at it, $100. I will design responsive landing page in 15 hours, $100, $50. Look at this particular one, $390. You understand me? $50, $100, $15, $110, and some other things. And some people that say $50, when you go to the offer, you see that actually they have the the standard price and some other prices. You understand me? Look at this particular one. I will design and build a beautiful landing page for $790. You understand me? And inside Global Freelance Academy, we showed you how to create landing pages. I don't know if you get this. You understand me? So why not learn all of them and actually make yourself the woman? So without wasting time, below this particular video, you can actually get this particular link to show you the more about our Global Freelance Academy. There's no need of, like if you go to master traffic mastery, then you can get this particular email media, PPC, and some other thing, Facebook, banner, video, Google, and some other thing. Like if you go to only email media, my friend, we got everything you need. You understand me? So we even teach you about sponsored posts and some other things. So without wasting time, to join Global Freelance Academy, just click below the link below and actually get yourself an account of Global Freelance Academy. That is all I wanted to actually show you. And once you get it, then master what you should master that is inside that particular place, and use the knowledge to blow your business out of the water, out of the box. So understand me? So I have to wrap up this particular video here, and I will see you inside Global Freelance Academy when you join. Again, get your own ExpressVPN to actually be making a lot of money. I have showed you how to use it to have an access, unlimited access to the whatever that is happening on the cyberspace. You understand me? From whichever part of the world. You understand me? So I will see you in the next upcoming time inside the Global Freelance Academy. Let me help you to actually make a lot of money when it comes to online. I will see you inside Global Freelance Academy. Bye.